Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how you can schedule SMS using the Sheet SMS add-on. So the first step is to install the add-on from the Google Marketplace. You can do it from the add-on menu. There is another video which details all the steps to do that. And then once you have the add-on installed, you need to make sure that it's enabled for the specific sheet you're working on right now. So you just need to go to the Sheet SMS add-on and enable it. So once the add-on is enabled, you get access to new formulas for your spreadsheet. And one formula is send SMS, which allows you to send SMS straight directly from the Google spreadsheet. But if you want to schedule SMS, you need to use the formula schedule SMS, right? Which allows you to schedule a message to be sent for a later date. So we have 4 parameters in this formula. The first one is the message, the second one is the phone number you want the message to be sent to, and then the third one is the date, so the date on when the message should be sent, and the last parameter is the time. So if you want to specify a specific time, like hour and minute, when the message should be sent. So let's do it right now. So first of all, to show you, I will just use parameters directly in the formula. So here I'm typing first of all the message. So I say hi, for instance. I need to use quotes, right, because it's a text value. So for the formula to understand it, it's important to put quotes. Then the phone number. So I need to use the international prefix. So for instance, in the US, +1, right? So I will do something like that, just a fake phone number for now. And then the date. So the date is simply the day, the calendar date when you want the message to be sent. So you need also to put quotes, right? Because it will be like a text understood in the formula. So for instance, it could be like, I don't know, like for instance, I will put like in European format because my spreadsheet is in European format, as we will see. So at 15 of, I don't know, like December of this year, right? So 23. So that would be the day on when the message should be sent, and then the time. So if I want to, I can leave it like this actually. So then the message will be sent on this specific date at 10 a.m. Local time, right, for my spreadsheet. And if I want to specify a specific time, I need to put the time like this, right? For instance, I don't know if I want it to be scheduled like at noon, like noon, like and a half, right? Something like that. So that's how you can schedule SMS using the formula. And another way to do it, right, is of course to use other value from your spreadsheet. So just I've done here, right, I put the message here, the phone number and the date. So here I can just do schedule SMS and then take it from here. So I just click on the cell I want to use, and here you see it will be sent on the 20th of March 23, right? So I just do it like this, and let's press enter, and we will see a message from okay, so because I already did it before, so I just change. So right now we see a message at 10 minutes. Actually, a message has already been scheduled on this date at 10 a.m. So that's because I just did a test before. So let's just change the date for 21st, for instance. And now the formula gets updated, and it will schedule a new message. So right now, so the message has been scheduled to be sent on 21st of March at 10 a.m. European time, right? Like I'm right now based in Paris, so my time is Europe Paris time. And we can change that actually. I will show you how to do it right now. But yeah, so right now it's scheduled to be sent at 10 a.m. right? If I want to specify a specific time, I actually have set a time here, just in the column D, so I can just add it, right, as a 4 parameter like this, and it will now schedule it at this specific hour and minute on the same date, right? So right now it tells me that it has been scheduled to be sent at 3:26. So if I want to change the time zone that is currently used by the spreadsheet, I can do it from File actually, and in Settings I have the options to select which time zone I want to use. So right now you see I'm in Paris, but if I want to change the time zone, if you see that it's not configured correctly for you, you can actually change it from here and select the right time zone for you. And everything in your spreadsheet will actually be according to your time zone. So the day, you know, like if it's like day and month, this kind of things, that's all configured thanks to your time zone, and same thing for the time, right? So make sure to use the right time zone. And one more thing is, if you want to actually cancel a message which is scheduled, you can do it from our website. So if you go to sheetsms.com and you just sign in, you have all your message planned in SMS messages. So you see in this menu, SMS messages, you will see all the messages that you have scheduled and the messages that you have already sent. But you see for the messages that are scheduled, you see that the sent column is actually telling you when they are scheduled, And let's say that you want to cancel actually the one we just scheduled right now. So the one we scheduled on 21st of March, we can just click on it and click on delete selected, and now it has been cancelled and it will not be sent at the scheduled date. So that's it for the schedule SMS formula. I hope that it's useful to you. I hope you will enjoy using it, and let me know if you have any feedback, comments, or if you have any question. Really feel free to contact me. I put my email address in the description of the video. And yeah, like the video if you enjoy it, and leave a comment if you have any question or anything. Thank you. Bye bye.